If you want to be an Excel wizard, you have to know how to use at least one lookup formula, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Xlookup formula. Without further ado, I will go ahead and jump right in. Don't forget to download the data at the top of the description so that you can work along with me. So for this problem, we have all of these items in our shopping cart, and for some reason we don't have the prices with them, but we need to get the prices from this items table over here. And to do that, we are going to be using the Xlookup formula. The Xlookup formula allows us to pull data from another table into our table based on some kind of criteria, and in this case our criteria are the items in our cart. So to start off using the Xlookup formula, we will do an equal sign, and then we'll type Xlookup, and then an open parenthesis. As you can see, there are a lot of different arguments you can use in the formula. However, you only need to use these first three, so those are the three we are going to focus on the most. First is our lookup value. Our lookup value is the value that we're trying to find in this table that will help us return the information we're looking for. And in this case, our lookup value is eggs, and don't forget the comma. Next is our lookup array. This is the range of values where we are trying to find our lookup value. Again, this case is eggs. So our lookup value will be all of the items listed here in column H, and I'm just going to go ahead and select column H as a whole. Last is the return array. This is the array of values we want to return to our original table for wherever there is a match. And here we are wanting to return the price information, so we will select column I. And if you wanted to, you could insert an additional argument if your item is not found. So if we had an item in this table that it couldn't find, we could just put item could not be found in table. But again, this is as far as we'll go. So we will go ahead and hit enter. And as we can see, it worked, even though this isn't in currency format yet. So let me go ahead and change this to currency. But as we can see, it worked. Now to find the additional values for the items in our cart, we'll just select the bottom right corner and drag that down here. And now we have the values for all of the different items in our cart. Now to find the total value of our cart, we will just use a simple sum formula and then select all of our prices. And now that we can see, our total cart value is $30.14. A couple other options for lookup formulas are VLOOKUP and index match, but honestly, I never use either of those. Xlookup is what I use every single time on my job as a data analyst, so if you can really get the Xlookup down, you'll be good to go. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series if you want to become a great Excel user. And whether you want to become an Excel genius or a data analyst, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I post a brand new video every single week helping you become the best data analyst or Excel user that you can be. And with that, I'll see you next week.